What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Let me turn this up a little bit. Okay. Yeah. No, that's too much. How's that? Oh. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Ethereum. Currently, we're sitting at 1680, up 5.3 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 202 billion. 24-hour volume, 20.76 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we're seeing a nice bounce. We had an absolutely sniper entry with our trade signals here. As you can see, taking along here on ETH, first entry 1573. Check this out, guys. Where did we bounce? Basically right at 1573. Absolute sniper entry. Move the stop loss to break even. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades, $25 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. All right, let's hop back into the charts. So if we can see continuation and we can come up and break these levels of resistance here, let me just open this up. So as you can see here, we put in a nice double bottom. We've started to push up. So if we do see continuation to the upside, I can give you a technical target from this double bottom. It could take you all the way back up to this high here at about 1779. And then potentially we could be looking at a wave 3, which would take you all the way up here at a minimum to about 2252, which would be a 42% gain from our entry. Now that's the more bullish scenario. The bearish scenario, which is still technically bullish, is that we just roll over, we continue to correct, we either bounce off this smaller wave 2 zone, or we come all the way down here for a larger wave 2. That could take you all the way down to 1158, the 0.618. The 0.382 is a minimum target for a wave 2 pullback at about 1373. As we've been covering on the channel, there's two scenarios that we're looking at. The first one, that we completed a 5-wave structure, completing the wave 1, and now we're putting a wave 2 pullback. And the more bullish scenario is that we haven't completed the wave 1 yet, and this was simply the wave 1 of the wave 5 within the wave 1. So this is your wave 1, this is your wave 2 pullback. We're starting to bounce. We see a wave 3 that takes you all the way up to this yellow box, which is currently in between about 2254 and about 2484. And that would complete the larger wave 1, and we'd see an extended wave 5. All right, guys, so those are your two scenarios. If you're new to Elliott wave, please do some research on YouTube. There's some incredible videos that will fully explain it to you, as I know it sounds like an alien language for anyone that is new. So we'll pop over to our next chart, which is here on the daily time frame. So once again, we're coming up to this yellow box of resistance. If Ethereum breaks this yellow box, that's a huge bullish statement. As you can see, this is a major level of resistance for ETH. So if we can break it, that would be a large bullish statement. And what we may be looking at is we come up, we break it, we put in a wave 2 pullback, and we put in a beautiful inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, here would be your head, and your right shoulder. And that could lead to an absolutely massive reversal to the upside. I am still quite cautious that this is a bear market rally, and we will see one more wave down. As you can see, the 20 EMA lines up with the 0.5, which is a maximum retracement at 1817 for a wave 4 pullback. If we come all the way up to the golden ratio, it's a higher likelihood that the bottom is in, but I am quite cautious that this is a bear market rally. So in the short term, we are seeing a beautiful bounce. Potentially, this could be the wave 2. If we come up and break these highs, we're already in a long trade. We add an absolutely sniper entry in the Discord, so we can ride it all the way up for a 42% gain. However, if we do roll over, my stop loss will kick in at break even, so it's a complete risk-free trade for ETH. And if we do roll over, we can come down and bounce off 1445. We lose that level of support, then that's when we're going to be putting in that larger wave 2 in between about 1158 and 1373. That's it for Ethereum. Big shout out to the Discord. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits, 25 USD a month for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. You can see how the members are doing with my trade signals and their own trades. They're absolutely crushing it. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Only $25 per month USD. Sign up through the Patreon link if you want to trade with me. Check out my full length tutorial over on Bybit. That's where I do all my trading, my favorite exchange. $4,500 in bonuses. Smash that like button. You can follow me on IG. I make Instagram reels. You can smash the like button on those too if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.